Walking is one of the most underrated fat-burning workouts on the planet, and most people are doing it wrong. No gym, no pain, no complicated plan. Just walking, but done the right way. Here's the truth most people don't know. When you walk at the right pace, your body enters fat-burning mode. Not sugar, not carbs. Fat. So what's the trick? Walk at a pace where you can still talk, but you are slightly out of breath. You can say a sentence, but you cannot sing a song. That is your fat-burning zone. At this intensity, your body uses oxygen to break down fat for energy. This is called aerobic training, and it is one of the easiest ways to burn fat consistently. And here's why it actually works long-term. No burnout, no injuries, no excuses. You can do this every day and your body keeps improving. It lowers blood pressure, it helps digestion, and it boosts your energy. And here's something even more powerful. Walking reduces stress. When you walk, your body lowers cortisol, which is your stress hormone, and your mind starts to reset. You think clearer, you feel calmer, you sleep better. Start simple. 20 minutes a day, then 30. Then make it part of your life. You don't need extreme workouts to change your body. You just need to start moving consistently. Subscribe for more. This is Uncle Fit. Be proud of yourself.